update on Uthando Nesithembu. UMacele ahambe ke noSamke to go visit Musa in hospital. And then they get there. Musa was happy to see them. He was happy to see Usamke. And then he says to Samke, how when on a swing to you have got to come here now. But Macele, how hamba nami nje. But then I told her that if one of the wives come, I don't know her. Angmazi nje ayazani. And then they laugh about it. And then they found out that there's a wife that's coming in. How Uma Khumalo is on her way in. So aphume ke kuqala uMacele, and then uSamke had to follow behind and hide somewhere so that Makhumalo does not see her as a sign of respect. And then she only came out after Makhumalo had gone inside. And then they get to the car and they laugh. Hey girl, I told you, if they come, I don't know you, I don't want trouble, mina. Ayazana, ngifuna inkinga. And they laugh about it. And then Musa is like, yes, it test up again and uSamke inkulu because like khaya khulunywa. So inkinga ukubhekana nayo uSamke ikhulu, but this is a test ukuthi is she going to stay na kulo mshado. Anyway, uMacele goes to meet up with Mayeni because Mayeni was not in the meeting that they had at Park with Makhumalo and Mangwabe. And then she tells her ukuthi hey phela ubaba uyagula because we're the ones causing him iBP yakhe ukuthi inyuke. Umayeni athi cha kuyisimanga ukuthi umuntu usogulisa ngento ayiqalwe uye. Like it's a shock that now what he started is now making him sick, and that they mustn't expect her to look after Selegu if he gets sick because of the things that he's doing. And then now uMacele says okay, there'll be a ceremony in Mzumbe wakamSelegu, and they're also going to introduce the wife number 5. Atu Mayeni yena indaba wife number 5 ayingeni, she's not getting involved. Bazosebenza kahle uMato yena nje bangamfaki. And then uMacele athi yazini into ka Mayeni ukuthi akekho ekhaya, she's back at her family home. It's actually affecting uMusa. And then Makhumalo abiza meeting with the sister wives. She knows that she said she'll never do this again because last time beginning Kulume, but we are Papa and all that. So she had said that she won't do it again, but then now is a critical condition, like a situation is different. She has to call the meeting, so she did. And then Gwaza uMacele no Mangwabe. Umayeni was not there. So Makhumalo was like, okay, because we're not all here, we have to reschedule. Acela uMacele ke ukuthi ngicela ungibizela uMayeni to be there in the next meeting. And then uMacele athi okay, I'll do it. I don't know ukuthi nibangani kodwa I will do it. And then they even told the kids about the situation kaMusa, that uMusa is sick. The ones that are at school uAbonge noMpilonhle because they don't want to disturb their studies. And then that the kids at home are struggling to cope with the situation. And then Mpumelelo no Lwandle, they are chilling and then talking during a situation kababwabo. And then they get a call from Macele telling them to come to the hospital quickly. And then they rush there because they're thinking what's going on, is he getting worse? And then apparently production had to stop filming because Selegu's situation got worse. He apparently suffered another stroke while still in hospital. And then they had to stop filming for a month. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.